Okay, so angle of depression. So, pag sinabi nating angle of depression, it is an angle of depression is the angle between the horizontal line from the observer and the line of sight of an object that is below the horizontal line. So, kung napapansin nyo sa angle of depression, pababa. Kung ito yung horizontal line mo, kung yung mata mo, yung gitna, yung horizontal line, kung saan ka nakatingin, tapos, may nakita kang object, tumingin ka pababa. Ito yung object, kunwari may bato dyan. Ang tawag doon is the line of sight. From this, nakatingin ka ng derecho, horizontal line. Tapos, tumingin ka sa baba, nakita mo yung bato. And then, ang mangyayari sa iyo, sa line, yung mata mo, bababa. And then, ang tawag doon sa pababa na yon is the line of sight. And ito namang nabuo na parang triangle, magpo-form ng angle at ang tawag doon is the angle of depression. Okay po, so, kung sa angle of elevation pababa, pataas, kaya nga siya elevation, elevate pataas. Dito naman depression pababa. Okay po, so let us have an example. Okay, so from the top of a lighthouse, 40 feet above the sea, the angle of depression of a boat is 38 degrees. How far is the boat from the lighthouse? So, dinrawing ko na, So, ito yung lighthouse. Yung lighthouse daw is 40 feet above. So, ito, 40 feet. And then, the angle of depression of a boat is 38 degrees. 38 degrees. And then, hindi ko na dinrawing yung boat. Kunwari, ito na lang yung boat. So, how far is the boat from the lighthouse? So, gaano daw yung kalayo yung boat sa lighthouse? So, now, i-apply natin si complementary angles. Kukunin natin yung complementary nitong 38 degrees. So, ilan ba para magkaroon ng 90 degrees sa 38? So, that is 52. So, 52 degrees yung ilalagay mo dyan. Kasi 52 plus 38 is 90 degrees. So, now, ito na yung ating reference angle. Ano ko muna sa inyo. Itong, yung gitna ng tingin niya, ang tawag dito is the horizontal line. Ito yung horizontal line, tama? Opo, so, ayan yung horizontal line. So, kung ito ay reference angle natin, yung katapat nito, ito na yung ating opposite side. Po, opposite. Tama po ba? And syempre, yung ating hypotenuse is nandito, yung longest side. And then, yung katabi ng ating reference angle, ito lang. So, ito ay adjacent side. Okay, adjacent side. Okay, so si hypotenuse ba may value? Wala naman. So, hindi natin siya magagamit. So, ano lang yung magagamit natin? Itong adjacent. So, pwede natin magamit si opposite and adjacent. And what ratio? So, that is tangent. Kasi yun lang naman yung may opposite and adjacent. So, we have tan theta is equals to opposite all over adjacent. Okay po. And then, what is our theta or angle? That is 52 degrees. Is equals to, opposite natin is x. So, we have x all over. Adjacent natin is 40. Now, we are going to apply the cross multiply. So, we have x is equals to 40 tan 52 degrees. And then, i-apply natin, input into scientific calculator. Use scientific calculator. So, kapag in-input nyo yan, ano ilalabas? So, 51.20 feet or pwede naman na 51 feet. So, ito na po yung ating final answer. X is equals to 51 feet. So, therefore, 51 feet yung layo ng boat sa lighthouse. So, ayun po yung angle of depression. Thank you.